Yeah, this is what they call Bird Island. Yeah, mind you, I have no right to this music that I'm listening to on the background. Big up respect, I'm just enjoying it. Man, that's what I love about Pandora, man. I can play whatever the I want. You know, shout out to Pandora, man. Pandora, you gotta love it. Man, everyone should need a Pandora in their thing. Yep. You know, last 1 mile for this easy 30-mile meditative journey. You just gotta smile in the morning. It's part of the joy exercise too, when you're smiling, you're jogging, you know. So I'm just enjoying it all for now. Alright, moving my feet with this. Woo-wee. Alright, you gotta move your feet a bit. Look at that prettiness in nature. Man, I call this the street DJ. I'm just having fun with this. Let's realize everything is gonna be okay. Look at this. The sky's letting you know this is a temporary. Everything is gonna be okay. Yep. Almost nearing the end of it. I'm just having fun with it. Oh, look at that beautiful flower. You know, because every time you come up on this page right here, I want you to take your mind off all the chaos that's going on and just see the beauty. You know, that's what it is. Just look at the beauty, not the chaos. I'm on the street again. Let's see. Right. Ooh-wee. Okay. Happy Tuesday. I want everybody to be safe out there, knowing that everything is going to be okay. Don't worry about what's going on. It always comes to an end. Let's not, you know, don't get attached to it though. Everything is going to be okay. Yeah. This is just it right here. If you need to get out, do your yoga, meditation, walk, whatever, this is the time, because nature's just calling, you know. Better to get it out of the way early in the morning. Look at that beauty. This right here. Just letting you know that everything is going to be okay. Yep. That's it right there. Woo-wee. I'm almost done. I was enjoying that music. I was really enjoying it. Ooh. I almost want to start dancing too. As you can see, the run is all about dancing. So I'm gonna say, one love, watch what you eat, take a yoga class, breathe into the body,